Welcome to RBUp. In this video, we'll discuss about UiPath Orchestrator. So here, why we are using UiPath Orchestrator, what is the main feature of the UiPath Orchestrator, and how to do the login, I will explain you here. So if you're new to this channel and don't know about UiPath Orchestrator, consider watching complete video and don't forget to like and subscribe the channel for the more updates. For opening UiPath Orchestrator, you have to go to cloud.uipath.com. From there, you will find it out Orchestrator. So first of all, you have to create your account, and if your account has been created, you can use UiPath Orchestrator. UiPath Orchestrator is a web-based application that enables to orchestrate your UiPath robot in executing repetitive processes. So these are cloud-based solution where we can deploy our robots for running point of view. Orchestrator lets you manage the creation, monitoring, and deployment of resources in your environment. So if you want to open the orchestrator, you have to click on the orchestrator and it will navigate you to your orchestrator account. It acts as an integration point with third-party solutions and applications. Its power comes from its capability of managing your entire robot fleets. So here you will find it out default tenants, automations, monitoring, queues, assets, and storage bucket. In the complete playlist, I will explain you about these many things in small video so that you're able to understand each and everything in detail. So don't forget to press on bell icon so that whenever I will upload related to the orchestrator video, you will be notified. When we talk about the UiPath orchestrator capabilities, it provides provisionings, which creates and maintains the connection between robots and the web-based applications. Deployment assures the correct delivery of packages version to the assigned robot for executions. If we want to configure any specific parameter, we can configure it and maintain it uh, for the robot environment and processes configurations. Queues will help us to understand and ensures automatic workload distribution across robots. Monitoring of orchestrator keeps track of robot identification, data, and maintains user permissions. Logging stores and indexes the logs to an SQL database and on Elasticsearch, depending on our architecture and configurations. Interconnectivity acts as a centralized point of communication for third-party solutions or application. On home sections, you will find it out all of the components on cloud.uipath.com. Select the orchestrator from the orchestrator account. You will see tenant and folder by specifications. In my workspace, you will manage all your workspace related components. Shared drive will give you all of the shared resources in automation journey. Whatever automation or processes are available, you can see it here. Jobs, triggers, and logs are available inside the automations. Monitoring will help us to get the complete overview about the runtime machines and runtime processes. Queue and SLAs are available inside the monitoring. Queue sections will help you to add your new queues and see the requests. Assets will provide you to add all of the asset related information. So these separate component I will create you in further part of the video. So this is how we can use orchestrator and add different components related to the our UiPath orchestrator need. In the settings sections, you can perform all of the assign group account, or you can create the machine related information, manage machines in folder. So these all possibilities you can do it. Filter is very much easy in the UiPath orchestrator. For testing point of view, you can add your set of test cases, sets, test execution, test schedules and test data queues. Test cases, you can maintain all of your test case repository for execution. How many test cases are executed is available in test executions. Test schedules, like if you have scheduled for the any specific period or time, you can find it out all these test schedules. If you want to store your test data, you can add it. Test data queues. Storage bucket will help you to add your storage bucket informations and several other components related to the UiPath. So that's all about UiPath Orchestrator. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you interested to learn more about UiPath Orchestrator, add inside the comment sections which component you want to know about it. I will create the video for you and share with you. Thank you for watching.